On wet airport runways and highway roads, there is always the danger of aquaplaning. Aquaplaning happens when a wedge of water builds up between the tire and the road surface. The tire loses road contact and the vehicle is no longer responsive to steering. Our anti-aquaplaning milling system reduces the risk of aquaplaning. This internationally patented method and system prevents aquaplaning with a road surface treatment in form of special groove milling. Our system is easy to transport and can be controlled on your device of choice. Our special groove system massively improves the drainage of the road surface and thus leads to a significant reduction of aquaplaning. The Aqua-Groover has enormous potential in road construction and both decreases maintenance cost and increases traffic safety on airports and highways as well.